All right, video shoot 1. I'm with Rom and Claude. We're shooting what I think are the most beautiful places. Wow, look at the road there. The most beautiful places in Luxembourg that I have been to, but I've never been able to stop and really get any video or any shots. This ridge right here, I absolutely love it. Okay, I'm gonna get on the bike and ride. Take some photos, Rom.
Yep.
Guys, what do you rate that location?
Tip top. Man.
Claude, how about you?
Tip top.
For me, everything is tip top.
Have you been there before, Rom?
No, never. Never ever.
So do you find it odd that a guy from New Jersey showed you that place?
Dat is schon ein bisschen verrückt.
Show bissa verrekt, that's...
Schon ein bisschen verrückt, ja.
Verrekt, is that crazy or something like that? That's very crazy?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is right on the Luxembourg-Belgian border. But as I say, on the east side of Luxembourg, way far north. Back wheel in Belgium, front wheel in Luxembourg. So I know this isn't Luxembourg, this is Belgium, but this is one of my favorite views. I'm an American in Luxembourg, in Belgium, shooting Belgium, and then up the hill is Germany. It boggles the mind. Then right down there is a place where all 3 countries come together. It boggles the mind. Are we going down there? Yeah. We are, okay. Come, Claude. I will share with you a tradition I like to do when I come to these borders like this. I like to throw a stone as a memento of brotherhood into the neighboring country. And here, you can do it with 2 other countries. So it's just a matter of finding stone. I'm in Luxembourg again, by the way. Here's the Luxembourg. Oh, we got stones. Okay. I will throw a stone into Belgium and a stone into Germany at the same time. This will be awkward, but anyway, ready? 1, 2, 3, here we go! I did it!
Yeah.
Don't talk, just kiss.
Don't talk, just kiss.
Yeah. Lions roar. Either step aside, for every God knows everything will crumble under his blows. You think yourselves weak, pathetic and overrun.
This is sort of a dream come true for me. I'm in Schlindermanderscheid. I'm going to go into the Kalen Center, Langertz, and I'm going to throw a ball or 2. It's in the mic. Raphael, nice to meet you. Schaffst du high? Oh, cool. Wow, this is a nice place. Whoa, this is like a full-on bowling alley type thing. I'm sorry to make you carry my bike in here.
That was not great. Yeah, you see.
Lions roar.
The best of today.
You guys taught me a new word. What is the word you taught me?
Sauerei.
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 And what does it mean?
Only nasty things.
Nasty things.
Yeah.
Give me an example of when you would use Sauerei in a sentence.
Well, when you come back to the car and someone has stolen your bike,
Yeah.
then you would say, that is a Sauerei.
That's
Really?
Sauerei, yeah.
Okay. So here's spot number 5, I guess it is. You got amazing views from Borscheid village up there, down to Borscheid castle there, Lipperscheid in the background. What did you guys think of this one? You gonna answer me? What did you guys think of this one?
It's the best.
Really?
Yeah.
How about you, Rom?
It's my favorite one.
Well, good. It's quite spectacular. All right, guys, thanks for a super day. This war tip-top, viel Spaß. There was no Sauerei. What is the word? No Sauerei at all. Merci, ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao. Merci, Adi, tip-top.
Don't talk, just kiss.